something pretty special and exciting today, babe. What is it?
Yeah, Hunter's not pregnant.
Not yet.
We're not looking at ultrasound photos. We're traveling to a place called Augura, which is close to the city of Moss, where I was born. And we have some pretty exciting news for y'all. 2 years ago, we built a house here in Norway, and it was pretty modest. It had enough space for us two, but now it's full of crap, and we don't have anywhere to park our 2 drift cars, our ice cars, our 2 vans, our trailers. We have a lot of stuff just sitting scattered around all of southern Norway. So we've been wanting a garage for so long, and it's finally happening. We are building a new house with Mesterhus Norge, which is a leading home builder here in Norway. And that house is gonna have our very own custom designed garage, where hopefully we can fit 3 cars and all of Hunter's stuff. She has a lot of crap.
Maybe a gym?
A gym?
I'm just bringing this on him now.
Sure.
I don't know, but
what we want to do is show you guys our journey from designing the garage, trying to be smart about it, trying to fit as much stuff in as we can, using some new technology. Maybe some of you guys out there want to build your own garage and can learn from what we learned, the A to Z of building your own garage.
mind you, we don't know much of what we're doing. So it's
Do we ever?
No, but it somehow turns out okay.
Yeah, sometimes. All right, eyes on
Hands
the
on the
road. Hands on the wheel. We just saw a moose. We're gonna meet up with the marketing director of Mesterhus right now at our new lot. This is exciting.
I don't have any words anymore. Is that the lot, babe?
That is it. We're here.
How cool. What a nice, cute little neighborhood.
Right? And it's cool you have a mix of traditional houses and modern houses. And these are all Mesterhus houses. So it's pretty exciting. And this house is actually the little brother of the house that we're gonna build.
Ah, I
We're
see.
gonna build Signatur 305. And I believe this is a 303, so it's gonna fit in perfectly in between here. You're ready.
Nice to meet you.
God dag. Tack för sist. Är det bra?
Ja, väldigt bra.
I know Fredric can't stop saying that we're building our dream garage, but really we're building our dream home. Jan Erik here is drawing up the plans to which we are modifying the base model house into something a little bit more fitting for us. We've taken away rooms, moved them around. We've even added a kitchen downstairs for when our family wants to come visit. So in the end, it's going to be exactly what we've been looking for.
We're really stoked to finally be able to build a dream home and dream garage. And this video series is going to be all about showing you guys how we go about the planning and the designing and then the construction phases of this new project. The goal, as I mentioned before, is to try and fit 3 cars in a 2-car garage. And in order to do that, we're going to put a lift on the left side of the entrance, 1 car at the bottom, 1 car sitting at the top of the lift. We're going to put a sloped floor on the right side to where the snowy and icy winter practice cars can melt off all the snow and ice. We're going to put a little storage room in the back, a space for a tire changer, and a half story up top to keep the rest of our stuff. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like this content. Thank you guys.